got this piece on Facebook Marketplace. It's not in a good shape. It has scratch, a deep scratch everywhere. It's solid wood. Has a good brand, but has a lot of scratch. I think the drawers work so very well. And this is the perfect piece for the tattoo challenge. First, remove the hardware. A good cleaning now with cloth cotton, and after with clear warm water. Time to primer. I'm going to primer with scissor bean shellac and primer, because this is magolini, because this is redwood and has some spot will be through on my paint. I'm going to apply a light paint. I will do 2 or 3 coats of primer. I will see if 2 coats is enough. After 3 coats of primer, still bleed through in some spots. You can see in the camera. I need to do 1 more coat of primer. And let's see if this gone. I made a custom color. It's like egg blue, something like that. And I really like this color. This will be my base color. I'm brushing all the directions.